Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas I will share you. So friends, I hope you like my videos. So viewers, let's start today. Videos viewers, so let's start today video. Christmas soft and cozy Christmas vibe brings a warm Christmas glow to your table, a simple centerpiece that turns every corner into a cozy festive moment. Soft light, nature texture, and a touch of holiday magic, perfect for this season. Wood slice charms. Sometimes all you need is a wooden slice, a candles, and a little creamy aromatic Christmas centerpiece that feel handmade, homely, and heartwarming. Cream and golden Christmas look, adding a touch of gold shimmer to Christmas table. Elegance, ornaments, glowing candles, a centerpiece that make the wall from spark and figures. Christmas clean, simple, and winter fresh. This style centerpiece blinking realness and holiday choice. White tones, pink cones, soft candle lights, red and green, classic Christmas. A timeless Christmas look, deep red, fresh green, and the magic of traditional. This centerpiece instantly bring the holiday and your viewers. Lantern centerpiece magic. A lantern can transform your entire table, add light and of training, and watch your Christmas centerpiece glow from witness. Wooden box centerpiece. A wooden box filled with evergreens and ornaments. A farmhouse style Christmas centerpiece that feel warm, inviting, and beautiful. Festive candles centerpiece glow. Nothing said Christmas like candlelight, creating a soft glowing centerpiece that make every meal feel like a holiday feast. Christmas star centerpiece. Viewers,